Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can block someone on your TikTok. So first of all, what you're going to do is you are just going to open your TikTok, and from the lower right section of your screen you're going to tap on your profile and then you will be here. So if you want to block someone from your inbox, it's very easy to do. So just go to your inbox, tap on the messages with them, and in here you will be able to see here three lines on the upper right section of the screen. So you just want to tap on them, and in here just tap on block and block again, and then this user will be blocked. So if you go back again, you can see here that they won't be able to send messages and you won't be able to send them messages as well. So if you want to unblock them, just tap on unblock from here, and yeah, it's done. So what if you want to block someone from your followers? So if we go to our followers and we just click on these three lines over here, you can see here that there is no block option over here. There's only an option to remove this follower. And if you go to their profile as well, you can see here that we don't have any option to block them. So what you're going to do is you are going to tap on message, and in here you're going to apply the same process. Just tap on these three lines on the upper right section of your screen, and then just tap on block and block again, and then this user will be blocked and they will also be removed from your followers list. So if we go to our profile again, as you can see here that previously I had 3 followers, but right now as I blocked one person, I only have 2 followers, and that person is removed from my followers list. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can block someone on TikTok. Thanks for watching.